pull it over. Oh, you took it out already, okay. Alright, we're gonna take this one out, and you can just sew.
Just go right over.
Sew right over it. Just exactly the way you sew the rest of it, just like that. Good job. Yeah, I should be wearing these in 20 minutes. Okay, stop. Get rid of that. Put it in there.
Now, did you make this cap on the sewing machine?
I did.
Or just cut out the fabric and then sew it together?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that, I don't think I could get that just a second in here. I just wanted to, I just wanted to get it out of the way. Okay. Alright. Good job.